Hi there, students. I had a question about what's the difference between effective and efficient. And I thought I had a video on it, but I looked and I didn't. So here we go. Something that is effective, it's something that produces the required results. It produces the required effect. Yeah, it produces a decisive effect. It's very effective. If something is efficient, it is something that uses resources carefully. It makes good use of time or energy. It's careful, using resources carefully. Yeah, so something can be very efficient, but maybe it's not very effective. Effective means it works, and it doesn't actually talk about the efficiency of it, because something that's effective might be very inefficient. So, for example, burning wood to keep warm is very effective. It gives off a lot of heat, but it's not very efficient because we use only a very small amount of the heat that is given off. So efficient or efficiency, this is talking about the proportion of energy that is successfully used in a process. Now, very often things that are effective are efficient as well, and vice versa. So this city has one of the most efficient public transport systems in the world. Yeah, it's very good at transporting people from one place to another. Okay, so efficient. It works quickly in an organized way. And here it's becoming closely getting to effective. Yeah, because an efficient transport system, it also says it's very effective. The secretary is very efficient, and she always gets everything done. She's very effective as well. And here, I think the two meanings now are the same. Notice efficiency, the noun. The efficiency of this transport system is very good. Yeah, it gets results without any waste, and that's the clue. It gets the results you want, but without any waste. If it's effective, it just gets the results you want. There may or may not be waste. She does her job very efficiently. She manages the business with great efficiency. And then, okay, effective, efficacious. This is a very efficacious method. It's a very effective method of doing something. His explanation was very effective. I'm not sure I would use efficient in that case. Okay, so effective, it's something that actually works. Also notice something can become effective. It takes force. So this law is effective as of next week. Okay, so yeah, efficacious, effective, effectively. This product does the required job very effectively. So both of these words, 5 in formality, use them anywhere. Let's see, and as to origin, okay, effective from French, effectif, from Latin itself, effectivus, productive, effective, and then efficient from Latin, efficientem, okay, something that works out or accomplishes an effect. So maybe from the origins, maybe they're the other way round, but it doesn't matter. So something that's efficient, something that achieves the required effect without any waste. Something that's effective just achieves the required result. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Effective or efficient? Efficient or effective?